This video is going to be about the Dell Inspiron 3847 motherboard. This was a computer that I think it was back in 2014 when they came out with this. This particular one is a i7 4790, all right, and it's running Windows 11 Pro, which was upgraded from the original operating system that was in the computer. You can see down here the version is 22H2. All right, so when you right click on the start button on the lower left corner of your screen or wherever you got it, you're going to find Device Manager and open that up. You're going to get this window right here, and you're going to see this thing, the SM Bus Controller. Okay, there's no way to update it. Okay, you can try, but nothing's going to happen, right? You can search for it, and it can't do it. All right, and here's the driver. Pretty frustrating. Nothing you can do here. It just says that some events, but I looked into this on the internet. It just says you need to update your drivers, but it doesn't tell you where or what or how. Okay, all right, so I'm going to show you how. Now, this video is kind of hard to make because I already did it on one computer and there's no way to go back. At least I don't know how. And you can't undo the driver once you install it, okay? All right, so I'm going to close this window out. So you see I got this. This is the problem, right? So I'm going to minimize that. All right, when you get to the Dell website, you're going to be disappointed. It's going to tell you that the Inspiron 3847, I guess it takes a minute to load here, is Windows 11 is not supported, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, they make it really hard. All right, just go right here. Click on select drivers. All right, see all this? All drivers. There's 25 of them, right? I would say click this and download everything and save it for a rainy day. But if you're just interested in that SMB thing, this is the one you want. Intel chipset driver. Click on that. You can read about it here. This is the file name, chipset driver 79P9V underscore WN32 underscore 10.1.1.7 underscore A00.exe. This is the file you want. Download this thing, and then we're going to execute it. Okay, I just downloaded this from their website. So what do? You double click on this, all right, and get it started. Now, it's going to take me longer than normal because I'm running my last hard drive that has this Windows 11, which is a rotational drive and not an SSD. All right, so I already made a mistake here. What I want to do is close that out. I'm going to right click, run this as administrator, okay? Then I'm going to install, and I'm going to click next, and I'm going to hit accept, and I'm going to hit install, okay? And it's going to take a little while. With an SSD, it's a little faster, but right now I'm running a rotational drive, so it'll take a little bit longer. This just happens to be my backup drive to the SSD should the SSD fail. So if you're trying to get rid of that SMB error, yeah, it's going to flash the screen.
I don't know if it's recording it or not. I don't know. All I see is a black screen. All right. Okay, so something's happening here. I don't know if I can move this back. Oh, okay, now we have to restart the computer to make this happen. Now, it's really hard for me because I'm recording. So I'm going to stop the recording and I'm going to restart the computer and I'm going to come back, okay? So after everything is done, you hit this button. But I'm going to hit it, but it's going to be off screen, all right? All right. All right, after rebooting the computer, I right-clicked on the Start button, picked Device Manager, and you notice the SM bus controller is not highlighted anymore, okay? So it takes a little bit to find it, but it's under System Devices right here, and where did it go? Here it is, SM bus controller. Okay, so you can see here, let's double-click on it. You can see here that the driver is now in here. Well, it says it's not in here, but it loaded something here. Let's go to events. Okay, here it is. All right, so this is when, I guess, when this was installed in 23. This is 7.7 of 25, and you can see the device was configured, but the device did not start. Okay, so there's some more work that needs to be done, but I don't know what needs to be done. I don't know what to do with it. But
It did take care of one problem. It's no longer got an exclamation point on it. See, when you get all that, there's no exclamation point. So that takes care of that problem for the Dell Inspiron 3847 motherboard. All right, that'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching.